about to call you Savannah. That's how bad you did.
Hey Naomi, what are we doing out here today?
We are brim fishing, and she is stuck.
Uh-oh, she's hung up. Brim fishing? Oh, okay, you got it. Good.
We are brim fishing on private property, which isn't really our property. It's actually my uncle's.
But they say it's okay.
Yeah, they say it's okay. So he's my uncle.
We've caught a few brim. We'll show y'all in a little bit. They're kind of slowing down a little bit now.
We got warmouth, like the regular kind of brim. What are they called?
Okay.
Child, don't you fall. What's that other kind called? Yellow belly?
Sunfish.
Sunfish.
Little sun perch, I call them.
There you go. Got those. And we got a really big one that my mom caught.
Big bull brim. That was nice. So the action was so fast and furious there for a while I wasn't able to get the camera out.
Hey, it's alright.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Mm-hmm. These are some of our brim that we've caught so far today. There's a couple in there pretty good size. We caught some of them around this old tree out here in this pond. Had a pretty good time. I don't know how many's in there. We'll have to count them here in a little while. I don't even know how many fish we caught or anything. Take out a couple of them if you can. Let's look at them.
Are you alive? Nope. Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
Hi. Today we're gonna be descaling, if that's a word. We're gonna be descaling all of these lovely brim that we caught just like maybe an hour or so ago. And it's very tricky, but don't worry, I'm there for you. I'm gonna show you how to do it.
Okay.
Alrighty. First of all, you got your fish. Pick your favorite. I think this was one of the ones that I caught. But whenever you go to descale, make sure that you go against the scales, because all the scales are pointed this way. And if I just do this, not a lot happens.
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to have to go against the scales. But whenever you do, you got to watch out, because these little fins on the bottom, they're going to pop out and try to get you, and they do not feel good.
Mm-mm.
So, just grab it around by the head area. Make sure it don't try to go anywhere. And just kind of make sure the sharp end's pointing down. I'm so tired. And just kind of, I've never really done this before, but just don't think about that. Just kind of, there we go. Alright, this is weird. Okay, let's turn it, there we go.
You want some help?
I think I got it. Do you think I need help if I'm going to be doing all these? Oh my gosh, I'm funny.
36 fish.
I think 36. I mean, I counted. There might not be 36.
You're on the second one. We'll go down here to this little pond here this evening and brim fish for a little bit. We've went a couple times here lately and we've caught a few, and we'll see if we can duplicate it again today. Me and Wes here today. Alright, first fish. That's a good sign. Oh, another little sun perch. Alright, now if we could just get a few a little bit bigger than that, we'll be doing okay. Alright, good job. Wait a minute, what is that? Is that a white perch? That is a white perch.
We were just talking.
Now, how did he get in here? Now, look at this.
That's kind of weird.
Now, I really wasn't expecting to get one of these guys. Alright, well, that's neat. A bonus.
Okay, let's see what I can do.
Your turn. Throw over there to the right.
Ooh, I just saw something.
Yeah, I just saw one.
It's okay. Well, no.
Oh, I got him now. Oh, oh man, took my cricket off there.
Let's see what
I wouldn't.
I had one in that. Over in that.
I gotta rebait.
Okay, you got a good size one.
That's a good brim.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we're down here after.
Oh, yes.
Some guys right there. If I can get my hands on him. That's a good size brim. Alright, we had Daniel, our cousin, he's came down here with us, and he's caught a nice one. Now we're fixing to ask him to, pack it on up and get out of here, because he didn't even have it in the water good. That's a good brim. Brim? Yep.
Oh, and a bit.
He'll eat, huh? Nah, I don't know. He's pretty small.
Hey, you got a good one.
Yeah, that's a good brim. Oh, don't break off. Man, he almost swallowed, didn't he? Yeah, I'd like to catch a few more just like this one. Pretty colors on him, besides the dirt and all. Alright. Not as big, but he's still going home with us. Just fishing around some of this structure, some of these old trees out here laid over in this pond. And watching out for snakes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, about 6 or so. That's another. Well, he's a speck. Another little crappie, which we call them all white perch, but it's actually a black crappie. That's neat. Look, Daniel. I've never caught any of these out of here before, and now today I've caught 2. Trophy. Alright, we're wrapping it up here on the end of our show. We caught a few fish. There's some brim in there, and a couple little black crappie. Me and Daniel, Wesley, came down here to the pond. Had a pretty good time, but the mosquitoes were really bad down here, like really bad. They were just laughing at the offer we had on us. Alright, we're going to head on back.